gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and...
The all-new watch arrives with a striking 12-sided signature design paired with a titanium dial, a metal bamboo joint structure, and a floating rubber strap that keeps everything incredibly lightweight. Well, the new Watch X3 has officially arrived, so today we're going to take a closer look at what's changed, what improvements it brings, its strengths and weaknesses, and most importantly, whether upgrading actually makes sense. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. The Watch X3 comes in a sleek silver package, and I've heard there's even a special orange version available. Inside the box, you'll find the watch itself, the instruction manual, a small cardboard insert, and the familiar high-speed charger that OPPO includes with its watches. Now let's focus on the real star of the show. This orange version is seriously eye-catching. Manufacturers always love giving their colors unique names, so if you had to name this shade of orange yourself, what would you call it? Once the protective film comes off, the premium texture immediately stands out. This generation uses a titanium dial, and if you look closely at the side, you'll notice the glossy 12-sided beveled edges. Even before the display lights up, there's already plenty of detail to admire. The bezel corners even feature decorative screw-style elements that add a tougher, more rugged personality to the design. The side bevels also show subtle variations from angle to angle, giving the watch a refined finish. The use of titanium is a big change compared to the aluminum or stainless steel materials used before. In simple terms, it feels extremely durable while still being impressively lightweight. The orange highlight on the crown button on the right side adds a nice touch, and overall the feel of the watch is noticeably different from the previous generation. Let's quickly compare it with my Watch X2. The first big difference is the strap. The older model used a standard rubber strap, while this new version introduces a bamboo knot style design. If you look closely, you'll see the mix of metal and rubber accents, which helps the strap sit more comfortably on the wrist. The metal hinge also contributes to reducing the overall weight. Compared with the previous generation, this watch is clearly thinner, even though this model uses a gray titanium-colored case. When it comes to weight, the Watch X2 with its strap comes in at around 81 grams, while the Watch X3 weighs only 68 grams. So it's both lighter and slimmer. I couldn't wait to try it on, and once it's on the wrist, you can definitely feel the difference. From the front, the bright orange gives it a sporty vibe that almost feels like a racing watch. The thinner and lighter body also means it should appeal to more users. Of course, one question immediately comes to mind. The watch becoming smaller and lighter, will that affect battery life? That's something we'll need to test later on. And if the bright orange isn't really your style, there are two other color options available. One of them is a titanium version where the strap has a subtle titanium tone instead of gray, which pairs nicely with the overall design. When you switch to a more rugged watch face, it actually looks very stylish. For those who prefer a cleaner classic round dial look like I do, there's also a pure black version. This one uses a more traditional racing style strap. The black dial gives it a cool, understated look, and it's still lighter and thinner than the previous generation. Overall, the design language remains quite similar to the earlier model. So among these three styles, from left to right, number 1, number 2, or number 3, which one would you choose? Now let's quickly talk about the standard smartwatch connectivity features. First up are the watch faces. The manufacturer provides a huge selection of beautifully designed dials to choose from. The OPPO Watch X3 introduces a brand new feature called the Super Dial, which brings a collection of powerful modules designed to make the watch even more practical in everyday use. One feature many people are especially curious about is the watch's independent WeChat capability. Let's take a quick look at how that works. I'm going to send a voice message to the watch from my phone. The message says, "Hello, we're testing the watch's independent WeChat function to see what kind of messages it can receive." And there it is. The voice message arrives on the watch. When you play it back, you can clearly hear the message. What's even more interesting is that the voice message can also be automatically converted into text right below it, making it easy to read as well. Now let's see if the watch can handle images. I'll send something simple like a breakfast price list. When you open the image on the watch, it's still fairly clear and readable. However, sending red envelopes through WeChat doesn't work on the watch. Moving on, The Watch X3 also introduces a completely new gesture control system. By simply tapping 2 fingers together, you can activate the little step feature. What's great about this is that it's designed for one-handed operation, so you don't need to use your other hand at all. This means you can perform certain actions quickly without pulling out your phone. For example, if you're in a parking lot and worried about forgetting where you parked, you can raise your hand and activate Little Step. Then you can say something like, "Remember this. My car is parked in space B12121, and the watch will store that information for you." Another major addition is OPPO's new ultra-level fluid cloud technology. With this feature, the watch can show real-time updates for things like food delivery orders or even the license plate number when you call a ride-hailing service. It's designed to cover a variety of everyday situations so that many tasks can be handled directly from the watch without reaching for your phone. Personally, I often carry 2 phones when I go out, which means I sometimes have to pull out both devices just to check notifications. The Watch X3 solves this problem by supporting dual-device connectivity, making it extremely convenient for users who use both Apple and Android phones. Call notifications and other alerts can be viewed instantly right on the watch. Another highlight of this update is the cross-brand voice control for cars. Many OPPO smartphone users are also car owners, so OPPO has partnered with several automobile manufacturers to integrate smart car controls. Through the watch, you can locate your car, adjust certain in-car comfort settings, or even remotely control some vehicle functions, all without needing to take your phone out. Health management is another area that has received a big upgrade. Hypertension is becoming increasingly common among younger people, especially among young and middle-aged adults who are considered a high-risk group. The Watch X3 introduces a new 5-sense hypertension risk assessment feature. While the previous Watch X2 could identify potential risks, the X3 goes further by analyzing those risks and offering personalized improvement suggestions based on the factors affecting your health. Sleep tracking remains one of the most frequently used features on a smartwatch. Thanks to the watch's long battery life, it can comfortably monitor both daytime naps and overnight sleep without worrying about running out of power. Through the OPPO Health app, you can access detailed sleep detection functions, including monitoring for sleep apnea and breathing pauses. The results can be reviewed the next morning, allowing you to keep track of sleep issues more effectively. There's also a quick 60-second health check powered by AI health analysis. In just 1 minute, the watch can measure 14 different health indicators and provide tailored suggestions to help improve your overall well-being. When it comes to fitness, the Watch X3 has also received improvements. One of the key upgrades is the dual-frequency 5-star GPS system, which provides more accurate tracking of your workout routes. Before starting a workout, you can set targets such as distance or exercise duration. During the activity, the watch tracks your performance data in real time. After the workout is finished, it evaluates your performance based on factors like heart rate and workout duration, while AI provides feedback and suggestions. In addition, the watch supports more than 100 different sports modes, and 11 of them offer advanced data tracking for deeper workout analysis. Finally, the feature that kept me using the OPPO Watch X2 for such a long time is also here on the Watch X3: excellent battery life. The new watch is equipped with a 632 mAh battery. In full smart mode, the official rating is around 5 days of use, and in long battery life mode, it can theoretically last up to 16 days, which is roughly similar to the previous generation. From my experience with the X2, its battery performance was genuinely impressive. This video is just a quick early unboxing. I'll be uploading a full detailed review along with the official price once the watch launches on March 17. To wrap things up, the Watch X3 brings a fresh and distinctive 12-sided design, a titanium dial, and a lightweight metal bamboo joint strap combined with floating rubber material. The watch feels premium, durable, and comfortable on the wrist. With advanced health monitoring like hypertension risk analysis, AI-powered sleep and exercise insights, and strong connectivity features, it becomes especially useful for people who rely heavily on both their phones and smartwatches. Overall, it looks like a practical and meaningful upgrade.